Hi guys, in this session we're going to learn the sorting part. Okay, so before that I'm requesting you to, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will directly get the notification. As ongoing this series I'm going to upload lot many videos on like interview questions and from basic reports to uh, uh, high level reports. Okay, so stay tuned. So let's start. So in this session, as I discussed, we're going to learn sorting. So sorting, like if I want to sort this column, I'll directly click here and I have two options, whether I can sort from A to Z or Z to A. If I want to sort like I'm having here pencil, pen set, pen, desk, these all are my items. So if I want to like sort A to Z, I got binder, desk, pen, like this. Fine. So again, if same way, every column we can sort. Okay, from A to Z or Z to A. Like I will sort ascending. So it will sort ascendingly, like 88, 130. Fine. Another way is like if I want to sort, then I'll go to field wells. I'll click here and sort A to Z. I got the same result. See, fine. This way we can sort as per our wish. So guys, do subscribe it and thank you.